So today we'll be making a hibiscus drink for weight loss. Anyone can take it. It's not necessarily mean that it's for weight loss. Just that there are some things I won't add to it that is not good for weight loss in case you're on a weight loss. But this drink is good for your child. It's good for the whole family because it has a lot of vitamins in it. So I'll be using hibiscus. This is dried one. I'll be using dried hibiscus. This is dried one. It's a little crushed. I've not washed it yet. Then this is ginger. I'll be using ginger for it. I'm not using much ginger because of my kids, so it won't be too hot for them to drink. Then I'll be using watermelon. I have 2 watermelon. I have 2 pineapple. I'll be using 2 pineapple. Then so I'll be using cloves for the drink. This is cloves. I'm using 2 watermelon, 2 pineapple, and my dried hibiscus and ginger. That's what I'll be using for this drink. So let's proceed with the drink, the making of this drink. This is my pot. It's a big pot for it. So this pineapple and the watermelon has already been washed. So what I'm going to do now is to peel the pineapple. Let me start with the watermelon. So we all know the health benefit of watermelon, pineapple. Cloves and ginger are good, as in they are very active when it comes to weight loss. That's why I said it's for weight loss. Then if you're trying to lose weight and you're making it just for yourself, you can add more cloves and more ginger so it will be more active. But so what I'm doing now is to remove the inside one. What I need now is the skin of the watermelon. That is where the whole nutrient is packed. So remember to use less ginger and less cloves if you're making for the family, as in if you have kids, because of their tummy. But if you're making it for yourself for weight loss, the ginger and the cloves has to be more. Okay. So when you're buying the pineapple, you have to buy the overripe one. So this is, you can see it's very ripe. It's overripe. So we'll be cutting the pineapple the same way we did with the watermelon. We'll be separating the skin from the flesh. Yes, from the skin, the meat from the the meat from the skin. Proceed with washing the dried hibiscus, then also wash the ginger. So I've washed the dried hibiscus. I'll be adding it to my pot now. So in here now we have our back of watermelon and the back of our pineapple and the dried hibiscus, cloves already washed. I'll be adding it to the combination. So I'll go ahead and peel my ginger. So you have to put enough water to like cover everything that you put in the pot. The back of the pineapple, the back of the watermelon, the clove and the dried hibiscus. So you can see the water has already covered it. And so if you're cooking this, you have to use pots that is a little bigger, so that when the thing starts boiling, it doesn't splash everywhere while it's boiling. So this is the amount of water I'm going to put, because I'm not making much now. So I'm going to but if I was making something bigger, I would use a bigger pot. Now this one is even tight. I'll have to be very observant. Once the thing start boiling, I will open the pot so it doesn't. Now I will put it on fire, then I will come back, so we'll continue with the preparation of the other ones. This is our ginger, washed, peeled and ready for the next action. So the next thing we'll be doing now is to blend the ginger. So we'll be blending the ginger together with all these fruits here. We'll be blending them together. I'll be blending them together. My blender is small, so it might take time, so I'll have to like speed it up so that to reduce the time I'm going to spend on this thing. So I'll be pouring it here. This is an empty custard here, so I'll be pouring it. As I blend. We are done with the blending. This is all the watermelon. We are done with the blending. Watermelon, pineapple and ginger. So I'll cover this like this now and put it in the fridge while we wait for the one on fire. But before then, I will add my oranges. I'm adding orange to it. So I'll carry it now and put it in the fridge. Then let me take you to, let's check what we left on fire. I'll be adding this one to our already boiling drink. This is why I say you should use bigger pots. I think my pot is a little too small for this that I'm cooking. You can see how the thing is going overboard. It's boiling, but it has not started boiling very well because of the, maybe because the pot is too tight for it. But I can see it's boiling already. The orange, back of the orange that we just extracted the juice now in it, so it's cool. All of them will boil together. Oops. You can see the drink is getting ready. It's almost ready because it's been boiling. So we'll allow it to boil for like 10 to 15 minutes more, then we'll carry it down and proceed with the next step while I clean these things up. So it's ready now. I'll just turn off the gas. I'll turn off the heat and allow it to cool down. So when it's cooled down, I'll come back to continue with you guys. Alright? So once it's cooled down, you just I'm using this to remove all the orange and everything inside the pot. Then I will now pour the other juice, the watermelon and the pineapple and ginger juice in it. When I pour it, I'll stir it, then I will sieve it and store in the fridge. So our drink entered night because NEPA refused to give us light. So we just turned the generator on. But the drink is finished, and this is the outcome. So refreshing. So you can add ice to eat and drink. You can add ice to eat, or you just drink it like that. You can store it in the fridge. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put all of them inside a bottle, small bottle, like small cans. Do you like the drink? Is it sweet? How sweet? You want more? Do you want more? You want more? Okay, no or yes? So you can see how my kids are enjoying the drink. You can see how they're enjoying, including their daddy. He's hiding. Everybody's enjoying the drink. It's very healthy for the family. If you feel your kids like sweet things, you can just add sugar to theirs when you want to give them. But for every other person, I am not adding sugar. So to make it everything natural and healthy for everyone. So that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up, share it, and comment so it can reach more people. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next one. All right.